Imagine you are extremely successful in commerce because you have the key to your customer's DNA through the highly intelligent networking of all information, and you offer your customers maximum personalized attention by creating an effective customer journey, which links all relevant channels to the web shop, thus turning brand experiences into success factors. Central order management forms the basis for all distribution channels, and sales opportunities are exploited automatically. This is the successful e-commerce of tomorrow. But you're still sitting around dreaming about it, while your customer is long gone. Time is running. Cut to the chase. Get the SAP Commerce Cloud and discover the SAP Customer Experience Suite.